So, if you're getting confused how to target the right audience to earn more money from YouTube, and many of the people do this wrong, I'll tell you how it actually works, and I'll give you an example with a story so that you can understand much better. So, here it is. Ravi was a person. He was getting views on his videos. Some videos even got thousands of views, but when he checked the earnings, he felt disappointed. The reason is the money was very low. He thought more views means more money, right? But that was not true. Ravi was making videos for everyone. Anyone could watch his videos, but no one specific needed them. This is the biggest mistake many creators make. They chase views, but they don't think about who is watching. Not all views are equal. Some views are more valuable than others because they are most interesting, they watch longer, and advertisements pay more money for them. This is why two channels with the same views can earn very different money. The real game is not getting more people or more views. The real game is getting the right people for to watch your videos. To fix this, first choose one type of viewer, not everyone. Only one person. Just ask yourself who really needs my videos. Then understand their problems. What are they searching for? What do they want to learn? When you make videos for a clear person, your content becomes stronger. Your title becomes clearer. Your thumbnails becomes easier to understand. And when the right people click, they stay longer because the video is made for them. Longer watch time tells YouTube your video is valuable. Then YouTube starts showing your videos to more similar people. This is how growth and earnings increase together. Also, do note that some topics pay more than others. For example, videos about money, business, tech, and skills often get better ads. So, think smart. Make videos that help people solve real problems, especially problems they are willing to spend money on. Do not try to please everyone. When you try to talk to everyone, you connect with no one. But when you talk the right person, everything changes. Views improve, watch time improves, and earnings grow. So stop chasing random views, start choosing the right audience. This is how you grow faster and earn more money on YouTube. When it comes to my personal experience, I started a tech channel. Initially, I started it as regional language, but due to the demographic and the size of audience, I'm not able to get more views. Since this is a tech channel, I need to get at least some couple of thousands of views to get sustainable and to get more money from YouTube. But it doesn't happen with a single language. Later, I shifted to English, and now I spreaded that channel into multiple languages. Now I'm posting on Telugu, English, and Hindi as well. So I'm just dubbing my own videos. So there is no need to worry about the scripting and everything, since everything is sorted out with the English script. The B-rolls, the editing style, everything is like one single go. All I need is just to dub my own videos, which brings me 3 streams of income, and out of that, even more income streams are separated, like affiliate links or maybe the product links, etc. So like this, think smart of what you are posting the videos. And one more thing, one of my friend is thinking about starting a YouTube channel. He actually do the websites designing and everything stuff like that. So if he wants to get started on YouTube, he always watch the videos related to website buildings. I mean, a person who is able to scale up his business or who are willing to help this person to start a YouTube channel related to website building, that is the right fit for them, and he's ready to pay money for that also. So that's why don't focus on multiple things, focus on one single thing and one single problem at a time. Just solve it. Once you are getting a lot of money, then you start solving another problem. We are humans. We are not the robots to multitask. So right after watching this video, whatever the plans you are having, just take a piece of paper and write it down. Just wipe out what are the points are not at all good and not at all helping you to reach the point that you want.